Are the pre-release details of Google's Pixel phones really considered leaks when they flood the internet months before the official launch? The upcoming Pixel 9 series, set to be unveiled on August 13, has already been extensively documented, with numerous photos and hardware specifications circulating online. The Taiwanese National Communications Commission, NCC, has provided a plethora of images for all 4 phones in the series, including the Pixel 9, 9 Pro, 9 Pro XL, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold. These leaks have revealed details such as battery life, charging speed, and internal components, offering a comprehensive look at what to expect from Google's latest offerings. The NCC filings have confirmed that the Pro model in the series will feature 3 rear cameras and upgraded specifications, potentially geared towards AI capabilities. However, not all internal specs have been disclosed, leaving some details, such as the rumored 16 gigs of RAM, unconfirmed. Google has previously hinted at the need for additional RAM to support certain generative models, suggesting that the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro will feature a 4558, while the 9 Pro XL will boast a 4942 mAh battery. These specifications represent a slight increase from the previous Pixel 8 series, with charging speeds also seeing a modest improvement. Overall, the leaks have provided a comprehensive preview of what to expect from Google's upcoming flagship phones. Meanwhile, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold has undergone significant changes compared to the original Pixel Fold from 2023, with a taller and sleeker design that brings it closer to its competitors. The camera setup has been revamped, now featuring a square grid arrangement instead of the traditional thick horizontal bar seen on previous models. Notably, the selfie camera on the large inner screen has been relocated to the corner, while the bezels have been slimmed down and the crease appears to be less pronounced in prototype photos. One standout feature is the ability of the new Fold to lie completely flat, a functionality that was missing in the prior model. The battery capacity of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is listed at 4560, slightly lower than the previous model's 4727 mAh. Despite this, Google has managed to incorporate the largest battery in its category, although the device still faces challenges with battery life due to the power consumption of the OLED screen. All 4 Pixel phones now come with Thread radio support, with ultra-wideband support available on all models except the base Pixel 9. Additionally, a new 45 watts charger in Google's signature white and smooth design is included with these phones, enhancing the overall user experience. Apart from this, exciting news has surfaced regarding the camera specifications of the Pixel 9 series, with major enhancements in the camera hardware being revealed. The regular Pixel 9 is set to feature a new 50 megapixels Sony IMX858 sensor for the ultra-wide camera, boasting a larger size and higher resolution compared to its predecessor. The selfie camera will also see improvements, utilizing autofocus technology for sharper images. The main camera of the Pixel 9 series will continue to use the ISOCELL GMK sensor, ensuring consistent performance across the models. Notably, the upcoming Pixel 9 lineup will showcase uniformity in camera hardware, with both the periscope telephoto and ultra-wide cameras utilizing the same Sony IMX858 sensor. This sensor upgrade promises better image quality and enhanced details for users. The Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL will feature the same 50 megapixels Sony IMX858 sensor for their front cameras, marking a significant resolution upgrade from their predecessors. The new camera specifications of the Pixel 9 series indicate a focus on improving image quality and overall photography experience for users. So stay tuned for more updates on the upcoming Pixel 9 lineup and share your thoughts on these exciting developments in the comments below. Take care and see you in the next update.